Welcome back to Rocket Mass Heater Surgery. In this video, I will repair the finished plaster, add an artistic element, and test the Cyclone Rocket Mass Heater. I begin by wetting down the area that is to be replastered. This will help the new layer of plaster adhere better to the surface. Scoring also helps the plaster adhere. This finished plaster is made from clay slip, sifted sand, and horse manure. I saved the old plaster that was removed in part 1, rehydrated it, and mixed it back into the new plaster. This helps to use the old material as well as to help the colors match up. Once that hole is filled, then I work on making all the edges match up, and then put a final thin layer over the entire plane so that you won't be able to tell there was ever even a hole there. I used the leftover plaster to seal the deal with some art, and once that's done, it's time to test out the new heat riser. The riser is still quite wet from construction and takes a long time to warm up. However, once it's going, it appears to be burning efficiently, as is evident by the exhaust coming out of the chimney being primarily steam.
You sound great. You look great. How your kids doing? It's gonna be a good day, huh? Weather's nice. We're gonna keep everyone warm. Just gonna check your vitals here several times. Is this your heart? This checks out.
If you like this sort of thing, come on out to the forums at permies.com, where we talk about rocket mass heaters, homesteading, and permaculture all the time.
Oh my gosh, you got a new tattoo! Looks good.